Oh my god, viewers. This health niche is currently exploding on YouTube. These videos show what happens inside the human body when we drink juice, consume alcohol, eat fruits, or eat different types of foods. Today, I'm going to show you how to create this type of content 100% free AI tool. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open YouTube and search for the channel Body Logic 3D. As you can see, this channel has over 124,000 subscribers with only 168 uploaded videos. Now the question is this channel monetized? To find out, I simply copy the channel link, open Social Blade, and paste it there. And yes, viewers, you can clearly see that this channel is fully monetized. According to Social Blade's estimates, the channel generates impressive monthly views and earns a significant amount of revenue every month. Now let's go back to the channel and click on the popular section. Just look at these numbers, viewers. 146 million views, 57 million views, 81 million views, and many other videos have crossed the million view mark. This clearly proves that the Body Logic 3D health niche has massive viral potential. If we create content like this consistently, there is a strong chance of getting hundreds of thousands or even millions of views. Now let's analyze some of the uploaded videos. As you can see, every video is highly engaging, visually attractive, and designed to keep viewers watching until the end. The best part is that I have already prepared a complete master prompt for you. You will find this master prompt in the YouTube video description. This prompt includes everything you need: voiceover scripts, image prompts, video prompts, scene breakdown, complete workflow. All you have to do is copy the prompt, open ChatGPT, paste it, and press enter. After that, ChatGPT will simply ask which health topic you want to create a video about. Just enter your topic and let the AI do the work. For example, I asked it to choose any health-related topic and generate the complete video structure. And look at this, viewers. It automatically generated Scene 1, Scene 2, Scene 3, Scene 4, Scene 5, Scene 6, Scene 7, and Scene 8. For every scene, it provided image prompt, video prompt, voiceover script, and scene instructions. Everything is ready for production. This is absolutely amazing because it saves hours of manual work. Now I simply copy all the generated content and save it inside a document file for easy access. And that's done. Now let's move on to the next step: image generation. For this, we will use Gemini by Google. Gemini is one of the best AI tools for image generation, script creation, and even video creation. However, today I will show you how to use it specifically for generating high-quality images. I simply copy my first image prompt and paste it into Gemini. Then I write, "Please generate this image." You can also specify your preferred image ratio. For example, I want a 9:16 vertical image, so I simply mention the ratio in my prompt. After that, I click Generate. And as you can see, viewers, the image generation process has already started. Gemini works very fast and within moments. And now, viewers, as you can see, my first image is ready. Just take a look at the result. The quality is outstanding, the details are impressive, and everything has been generated perfectly. This looks absolutely amazing. Now, let's move on to the second image. I simply copy my second image prompt, paste it into Gemini, and once again specify that I want the image generated in a 9:16 ratio. Then, I click Generate. As you can see, the second image has now started generating. After waiting just a few moments, boom, viewers, my second image is ready. This image is based on a smoker-related topic, and the result looks fantastic. The details are clear, the visuals are engaging, and it perfectly matches the concept we wanted to create. Now let's continue with the third image. I copy the third image prompt, paste it into Gemini, and click the Generate button. Then all we have to do is wait patiently for a few seconds. And boom, viewers, the third image is now ready as well. Just look at the quality and realism. The image clearly demonstrates a person eating tomatoes and visually explains the health benefits associated with consuming them. You can see how effectively the AI has represented the concept through detailed visuals and informative elements. At this point, I have successfully generated 3 images. Now it's time to create the final image. I simply copy the last prompt, paste it into Gemini, and click Generate. The image generation process starts immediately. Again, you need a little patience while Gemini processes the request. And boom, viewers, the final image is ready. This image focuses on the effects of alcohol on the stomach and clearly illustrates the damage that excessive alcohol consumption can cause inside the body. The visual explanation is detailed, engaging, and highly informative. Just look at the overall quality. The colors, anatomy, details, and presentation are all exceptionally well designed. This is exactly the type of content that performs well in the health niche, because viewers can instantly understand the information through visuals. Now that all our images have been generated successfully, the next step is downloading them. I simply download each image one by one and save them to my device. It's time to use another 100% free AI tool. This time, we'll be using a powerful AI video generation tool. So let's jump right into it and continue the process. Alright viewers, for the video generation part, we'll be using an amazing AI platform called Faceless AI. Today, I'm going to show you how to use this tool completely free of cost. First, visit the Faceless AI website and sign in using your Gmail account. Once you log in, you'll receive 90 free credits, which will appear in your dashboard. Those 90 credits are enough to create approximately 3 to 4 AI-generated videos with audio, making it a great option for beginners who want to create content without spending money. Now let me walk you through the process step by step. As you can see, the platform offers several features, including image generation, video generation, references, templates, transitions, and many other powerful AI tools. For this tutorial, we'll focus on the video generation feature. First, I click on the video section and upload my image. Once the image is uploaded, I move to the prompt section and paste the video prompt that was generated earlier. After that, I select my preferred settings, including the aspect ratio and other options. Once everything is configured, I simply click on the Create button. And just like that, my first image-to-video project starts generating. Now we wait a few moments while the AI processes the video. And boom, viewers, my first video is ready. Take a look at the result. The motion is smooth, the animation looks professional, and the overall quality is extremely impressive. The generated video looks highly engaging and is perfect for creating viral health-related content. Now let's create the second video. I select my second image, upload it to Faceless AI, paste the corresponding video prompt, and click Create. The generation process starts immediately. After a short wait, boom, viewers. My second video is ready as well. Once again, the quality is outstanding. The animations are smooth, the visual effects look professional, and the final result is absolutely amazing. Now it's time for the third video. I simply select my third image, upload it, paste the video prompt, and click the Generate button. As you can see, the image-to-video process has started. After waiting for a few moments, the AI completes the generation. And there we have it, viewers. All 3 videos are now ready. Just look at the quality of these results. The animations are engaging, the visuals are eye-catching, and the final output looks highly professional. In my opinion, Faceless AI is one of the best free tools available for AI video generation. Not only can it generate impressive videos, but it also offers powerful image generation capabilities. However, in today's tutorial, our main focus was learning how to convert images into professional AI videos using this platform. I hope you found today's tool helpful and learned something valuable from this tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss our future uploads. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video with another exciting AI tool and a brand new idea. Until then, take care and goodbye.